and so when it hits off the sun, it should bounce toward the sun's light reflection should bounce sort of towards this area. This is a griddle. It's made of metal, so it should get hot pretty easily. This is a magnifying glass attached to two chopsticks, and the chopsticks are just to hold it up. The magnifying glass should magnify the sun and band the sun's radiant energy and thermal energy, so everything inside should become hotter and brighter. So these are my s'mores. They're not melted yet. Hershey's chocolate on graham cracker. And let's begin. Okay, I'm beginning to place the s'mores in. Whoops. Hold on. Okay, we'll let it sit for a while. It should be getting hotter in there. And I'm going to start to check to see if they're starting to melt, so I'll check by feeling them. Oh, yep, they're starting to melt. Here's some chocolate that has gotten onto my finger. And from the magnifying glass, the sun is right now hitting this piece of chocolate right here, and so it should be it should probably melt faster than the other two, just because the magnifying glass is bringing the sun onto this one. This would probably work better on a sunny day because it's very cloudy outside, but it probably will still work eventually. The current outside temperature is 81.5 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's right now 10:50 when I'm doing this. AM. Okay, we've approached the 5-minute mark, so let's do a check to see how melted they are. Well, they are melting. I can draw with this stick. And here's some evidence. It just came right off. Let's check about the other ones, the ones that aren't being magnified by the magnifying glass. Let's take the chocolate first. Alright. They're not as melted, but they are a little bit melted. Okay, we're 6 minutes in. I'll do another check at 10 minutes. Okay, we've reached the 10-minute point. I'm going to check on how this s'more is doing. Oh my gosh. This is very melted. And this one is done. So I'll take this one out. Okay, I'll move this one into its spot. This one's, they're all pretty melted, but not extreme, but the other one was extremely melted. See, this one has a couple bit of, it's a little bit melting. And we're at the 11-minute mark. Okay, we are at the 15-minute mark. I'm going to test and see how these two s'mores are doing. Start with this one. Oh, this is melted a lot. It's basically a cream. Okay, so this one's done. And let's check this one. This one is melted also. Extremely melted. So if you want to look at these, they're all over my fingers. And I think we probably could have gotten a couple more s'mores on there. I'm not sure if the griddle would be big enough to fit them, but the solar cooker could definitely fit, could definitely cook maybe 5 s'mores in 20 minutes, which is pretty good. These are the s'mores, melted chocolate on my fingers.